3, 2, 1.
Get up. Oh, look at y'all good.
Tonight is the 39th flipping of the switch night in Lafreniere Park, where we literally turn on the lights in the park and light everything up. And it's one of those really fun, exciting nights. It marks the beginning of the Christmas holidays. And just a lot of fun, a lot of excitement. And it's nice that people are so excited and looking forward to it. And it's become a real tradition in Jefferson Parish.
In 2009, we donated our lights here to Lafreniere Park. And it was the beginning of something special and something big that's led to 10 million lights through this display. And so it means a lot just to see the community. And now you can drive through Lafreniere Park and roll down your windows and see these beautiful displays and see the joy on these kids' faces during Christmas season.
This is the 39th annual Christmas lights here in Lafreniere Park. We have made it bigger and better than ever. We actually added 40 new pieces this year. They were able to create 40 new pieces, which is wonderful. There's a new display over at the dog park, which includes Scooby-Doo, Snoopy, Bluey, and Big Dog Clifford. We really got some nice new stuff in for everybody. It's a wonderful time of year. It's 10 million plus lights. There's nobody with more lights than we have. There's nobody else has Star Wars, the Minions, Hot Wheels, all of the things we have. To see the kids light up when they see the lights, that's the best part of this whole thing, is watching the kids enjoy it. And it's a wonderful family place. Lafreniere Park is very safe. And look, we really just want everybody to come out and have a really good time out here for Christmas.